Hello, wonderful Head Start educators. Ron Schwali here again, just to give you some more value. How many of you have ever created an expectation for another human being, never shared the expectation with them, and when they don't fulfill the expectation that they know nothing about, who do you get upset at? Are you laughing already? Do you do this all the time too? How many of you have that situation? We as human beings create expectations for other people. We create expectations for ourselves. I mean, it's around New Year's time, right? How many of you had an expectation that you're going to be starting a certain fitness goal or something, and then you said the word should, or you thought the word should? That's the key. That's the red flag. Whenever you say the word should, you are about to make yourself unhappy. That's just the way that we've been designed for some reason in our language. When you say the word should, you are creating an expectation. I should get on a fitness regimen this year. I should do this. I should start yoga, whatever it is. And then you should all over yourself. Should, S-H-O-U-L-D. Consider, instead of saying the word should, I should change the way I am. Instead of just getting that you're perfect, whole, and complete. He should change this way. She should be different. Consider every single time you say the word should, when you're creating an expectation, you're setting yourself for upset, because that should only exists in your brain, doesn't exist in reality. Like, how many of you think the world should be different as opposed to it being in a pandemic right now? And then because your expectation of that is there, it doesn't make a difference what happens in the world, you get yourself upset. Being responsible and being powerful, leveling up and creating a win-win world is all about controlling your emotions and understanding the processes that are happening. So I offer you this. Think about somebody in your life that you create an expectation for, one of your kids. He should be this way. She should be this way. Maybe one of the parents of one of your kids. They should pick their kids up on time. They should reach out to me, whatever it is, okay? Say that in a sentence. Say their name, the word should, and then the expectation, and say it out loud so you feel it only if you want to get benefit from this little exercise. Okay, ready? So, for example, my friend always shows up late, so I create an expectation. Well, he should be here on time this time. Okay? So let me hear you do the expectation. Ready, set, go. Okay, got it. Now, instead of saying the word should, I offer you just take the word should out. Say the word could, put it in there. Like, instead of my friend should be on time, I can say my friend could be on time, and then say it with the could, and notice the way you feel, and if it's the same, worse, or better. Ready, set, go. How do you feel? Do you feel differently? Does it benefit you more to say should, or does it benefit you more to say could? And how would the people that you're creating an expectation for, especially the little kids that are just being the way that they are, how many of you are creating an expectation for them to be a certain way as opposed to maybe they could be a certain way? You're in circle time. All the kids should be sitting crisscross applesauce. Well, they could be sitting crisscross, but little Billy is laying on his belly and he's looking and he's paying attention, he's focused, and everybody's still learning. So when you take the word should out, you put the word could in there, you start having access to more joy, you start being more responsible, and you start being more powerful. And that's the first step in leveling up and accessing your stress. Because believe it or not, people, I learned this a long time ago, it blew my mind, and it helped me. We create our own stress. Have a great day. Don't shit on yourself. Hey there, Ron Schwali here. Just wanted to say thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope you got some value from it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to check out more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel right here. If you have kids and you want to check out my Yogarati YouTube channel, then check it out right over here. And over here, you're going to have some videos of some other content that'll give you some tremendous value. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.